The neural pathway of hearing is pretty simple if you know the mnemonic AC slim. Okay, AC slim. So A stands for the auditory nerve. So the auditory nerve, we'll write it down, AC slim. Auditory nerve then goes on to the cochlear nucleus. So C stands for cochlear nucleus, from which it has to be relayed to the S, superior olivary nucleus, which ascend via the lateral lemniscus. Okay, this is the lateral lemniscus through which it is ascending to the I stands for inferior colliculus, and finally to the M for medial geniculate body, from where the fibers pass on to the auditory centers, so Broca's area and all. This is the entire auditory pathway. Finished. In the next one, electrical responses, theories of hearing, and you're done with physiology of hearing. Then there will be a vestibular system. I encourage you to watch it. I encourage you to subscribe to the channel, and if you want any topic done just like this, I'm doing it on a request. You can put it in the comment section below, and I'll surely get back to you in 2 days time. Yeah, thank you. I'll see you in my next one.